Hey guys, and welcome to this week's manifestation moment. If you're new to my channel, every week on Sundays, I ask these cards to please provide us with guidance to help all of us with our manifestation. Help us figure out where our blocks may be. Help provide us with whatever guidance we may need. So with all of that said, let's see what this week's manifestation moment is. Almost there. Okay. First card is my desires are clear and are manifesting as planned. I am always growing and transitioning. My past does not define my future. My success is my decision. Interesting, we have a couple cards repeating from last week. I will see it when I believe it. I believe in my success. Okay. Wow, very interesting. Orange, orange, white, black, black. Y'all saw me shuffle. I just find it interesting sometimes how different colors come out, how they do. Okay. So I still see some energy here with people struggling with overcoming maybe past difficulties, past failures, in past struggles. Maybe you've done something in the past that maybe you're not necessarily proud of now. Maybe you've had a lot of difficulty in life, so it's hard to have faith in yourself and hard to have faith in your dreams and your goals. And there's one thing that I have said for a long, long time, and that is at any given point, anyone has the potential to change. At any given point, people can choose to change, and that no person should be defined by their mistakes in the past. Now I know not everyone agrees with me on that. But I always would rather have faith in the good in people and hope that people will always grow to be better than maybe they have been in the past, because none of us are perfect at all. I've made my share of mistakes. Everyone has. But that does not mean that a person cannot change and evolve and grow past the mistakes that they may have committed in the past. Now, I know we live very much in a culture that does not necessarily adhere to that. But there are a lot of people in this world who don't often like to look at the mirror, at themselves in the mirror, and evaluate maybe where they in their past have done some things that weren't necessarily altogether great. Some people do that, and they hold themselves accountable and responsible for that. Others, not so much. And I often find it's the ones who don't, who like to throw the biggest stones. But whether you have done something in the past or have struggled with something in the past, it does not define you. It does not define who you are and who you can be, and it does not define your worthiness of good. Some of you may be procrastinating with this, my success is my decision. And it may even tie into mental blocks that you may have, thinking that maybe you don't deserve it because of things from your past, either things you've done or things you've gone through. But I'm here to tell you that you can overcome that stuff. You can grow past it. You can achieve success if you really want it. But you also have to put in the work to do so. And like I've said many times in these videos, I know the world is a very strange place right now. It's a very difficult place right now, and we can't do much. We have many places going into a second or third wave. We can pretty much rest assured that we're going to go into another shutdown and quarantine. So even if you can't physically go out and do things to start enacting what it is you dream of doing, it doesn't mean you can't start doing the research online. It doesn't mean that you can't start investing in yourself in some way. Now, that doesn't necessarily have to be financial. It can just be something as simple as investing your time in what you want to achieve. Doing the internet legwork, as it were. So, if you really want to achieve something, really start putting the energy in. This card kind of goes back to what I said with my past does not define my future. I am always growing and transforming. That actually goes very well with this card. None of us go through, well, not none of us, most of us do not go through life stagnant in our knowledge. Every day we learn something new. Every day we learn about something that we didn't know about before. Every day we learn about, the way the world works in a different way than maybe we perceived the day before. So just as your past does not define you, you cannot hold yourself to the same standard as maybe things that you have gone through or things that you possibly have even done in the past. Because with each new day, you are not the same person that you were. And you can choose to evolve past that. Now these two are all about what you should be focusing on. So here we have the past. Here we have maybe the challenge that you're going through, and maybe a challenge of holding on to energies that you no longer really need to hold on to. And here is where you need to be. I will see it when I believe it. I believe in my success. And the other card is my desires are clear and are manifesting as planned. I have said in many of these videos that it is very helpful to have a journal. To write in that journal each day 3 things that you are grateful for. And as you write them, allow yourself to truly feel the gratitude from the depth of your soul. And as you write them down, say, I am so thankful to have this, or I am so thankful to have experienced this. I am so grateful that I have people around me who love and support me. I am so grateful. And when you go on to your 3 things that you want to manifest, always write them down as if you have them now. I am so grateful that I run a successful business and am able to help people and employ people and allow them to live a full life through their work. Just as an example, I am so grateful that I am able to service my community because of the business that I have built. Write down those things, and as you write them down, not only write them down as though you have them already, but visualize in your mind. Let yourself see yourself in that role, doing everything that it is that you've dreamed of and wished for and wanted, every success that you've wanted. If you want to have a relationship, maybe don't picture the exact person if you feel you haven't met them yet. But picture yourself in that relationship, happy, loving, caring, dynamic. Picture yourself having that family if you wish. Picture yourself having every success that it is you want to have and that you define as success. Because visualizing it, giving gratitude for it, helps the universe manifest it for you. And the more work you put into achieving it, the closer it becomes true. So I hope this manifestation moment has given you some sort of assistance. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new true crime reading. And take care of yourselves. Wear your masks. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And until next time, I wish you all the brightest of blessings, and blessed be. Thank you.